Google is said to be working its own version of Samsung's Now Bar, according to new details spotted in the latest Android 16 beta. This feature, called Gemini Space, could be a major step forward for Google at a glance widget, offering real-time information on the lock screen. As reported by the findings through a deep dive of the underlying code, traces of this new experience first appeared in last month's Android 16 QPR1 Beta 1 release. A new system config file known as Ambient Data was added, which appears to be the internal codename for Gemini Space. That file could be found in firmware for both Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 8 Pro, suggesting it won't be limited to the upcoming Pixel 10. Others clue pointed out to something called as Ambience Hub. The name suggests a new interface for showing useful data on the lock screen or always on display. This would align with other Google features that uses ambient Indian names such as Ambient Display and Ambient AOD. The Android System Intelligence app, which powers the current at a glance widget, now includes hints at sports scores and finance updates. A toggle for finance recap was also found at the at a glance widget, further supporting the idea that those updates could be a part of Google Gemini Space. All signs point out to Google planning to rebrand and upgrade version of At a Glance. If true, Gemini Space could be similar to that of Samsung Now Brief and Now Bar, the former being the live info chip on the lock screen and the latter offering a full day summary of your day. While some say At a Glance already covers this, Pixel phones have not have quite such a feature since Now Brief.